Greetings, my name is Somma Ghosh and I am a home chef specializing in Bengali cuisine. Payesh is a much loved Bengali dessert with traditional roots. It is cooked separately in each household and you will not find it in the sweet shops. Each house has their own distinctive take in making of it. Today I will be sharing with you my recipe of Chaler Payesh or Payesh made with rice grains. Chaler Payesh that we are going to make today will involve certain ingredients like full cream milk, condensed milk, some cashews, saffron and Gobindo Bhog rice, which is a small grained flavorful rice grown in Bengal. We add the milk and we bring it to a boil. As it is coming to a boil, we have to stir constantly and keep an eye on it so that it doesn't catch in the bottom and burn. Once the milk starts to boil, we reduce the flame of the gas and we add the washed Gobindo Bhog rice gently into the milk. We stir that nicely and we keep stirring it till the grains of the rice are semi-cooked. And you will notice that the milk gets heavier and is sticking to the ladle with which you are stirring. At this point, you add the cashews and give them a good mix. After about 10-15 minutes, the rice will be fully cooked and that is the time you add the condensed milk and will help to make the kheer a little dense. Once you've added the condensed milk, stir it well. Add a little bit of saffron to the mix, so this becomes a Chaler Gobindo Bhog Chaler Payesh. We've just finished making this Chaler Payesh in the kitchen and now we're going to serve it out in these individual serving bowls after doing a little bit of garnish on the Payesh itself. So, this is your thick, creamy Chaler Payesh ready to be savoured. A treat for any occasion. Wishing you all a happy and prosperous Pujo.